Textiles, and today I'm going to be talking about the BSXL Child Safety Set Size Roman head rails. The set size Romans are a 0.9mm gauge aluminium profile. They come in pre-made set sizes of a 60cm, 100cm, 140, 180 and 250. They can be purchased independently or they can be purchased in boxes of 10 for a small discount. They are all available with a 1-to-1 fast lift, which will pull 3.5 kilos, or a 1-to-4 heavy lift, which will pull 10 kilos. They have a 1 meter chrome chain on the right hand side, which has our patented breakaway option. This will pull away if a child is caught in the chain at 6 kilos. It is fully certified and independently tested by Bureau Veritas and can easily be inserted back into the head rail if it does happen to come out. The blind is supplied with a set number of easy lock cord rolls, depending on the size of the head rail. They're very easy to move as they just have a lever at one end. You can just be clipped down, slid to where you want, and then lock back into place. They come with a universal swivel arm bracket. There are options to change this. We can cut it down for a small charge. You can change the chain out. There are limitations on the colour and sizes available, but that can be swapped out for a small charge. You can buy rod and bottom bar kits, and you can also buy the safety devices for the backs if you're blind. They're available to suit any making method. The system itself comes with a 5-year warranty.